If you have two different images and you want to compare or combine them either horizontally or vertically, I'll show you how to do it. Before we start, be sure to hit the subscribe button below, it really helps out the channel. Thanks. Let's first open the Shortcuts app on your device. This is a built-in app, so if you don't have it, you can download it from your device's app store. Once the app is open, look for the Gallery tab at the bottom right. In the gallery, you'll find various shortcuts that can help automate tasks, including combining images. Now, let's search for a grid, and you should see a shortcut for creating a photo grid. Tap on it, then hit Add Shortcut to add it to your list of shortcuts. After adding it, go back to the main screen of the Shortcuts app and you'll see the grid option. Tap on it to start combining your images. You'll be prompted to select the images you want to combine. Once you've selected your photos, hit Add, and the app will combine them for you. By default, it combines them side by side, horizontally. Once the images are combined, you can hit the Share button to save it to your device's photo library, or share it via message or email. If you prefer to combine your images vertically, all you need to do is tweak the settings in the shortcut. Tap on the three dots at the top right to edit the shortcut. Scroll down to the settings, and where it says Combine Row Horizontally, change it to Combine Row Vertically. Once you've made that change, hit Done. Now, when you select your images and tap Add, they'll be arranged vertically instead of horizontally. Again, you can hit the Share button to save or send the combined image to others. And that's it. You've combined two images side by side using built-in tools on your device. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.